RenX Enterprises surged 30% pre-market after beating revenue guidance with $8.2 million against a $7 million target, and confirming their Microtec Turbo Mill is shipping from Germany in April. Stock was already extended when we turned on long mode and immediately sold off on open. The algo catches starter dip buys and triggers 2 strategic double downs, bouncing off $2 to de-risk for a small profit, bringing cost basis from $242 down to $215. Price begins to chop as we hold 5,000 shares. Ad level calculates to 226 and the next double down area sits at 203. Volume picks up and price breaks higher. The algo adds at our TP levels until it sells at 235, closing the position for almost $1,000. Clean exit. We turn long mode back on, starter positions taken on the 10-second and 1-minute dips, then the algo adds on the 1-minute breakout. But price drifts back under our cost basis and the de-risk mechanism triggers, reducing our share size in case price breaks down further. As price makes a run for the high of day, the algo adds back in. Then a severe sell-off hits right at the high, forming a double top. The de-risk mechanism misses, and the algo attempts a double down for a quick bounce, but sell pressure is just too strong, driving us straight into our 215 stop loss for a $1,700 loss. Painful part is our stop was only 4 cents too high. Price reversed at 211 and immediately made new highs. Choppy trading is risky, so it's important to stick to the calculated levels every single time because proper risk management is what keeps you in the game long term. Win or lose, I post every trade. Link below to see how the software works. Subscribe for daily trade recaps, and I'll see you on the next one.